everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are at PeakDistrict. It's 31st of December, so happy New Year, but obviously this video will be published later. We are going for a hike. It will take around 4 hours, 17k. We are starting at the SnakePass and we are attempting to reach the Kinder low. Today the weather is very windy, though it's quite warm as well, so you might want to lower the volume a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to press like and subscribe to be posted on the upcoming content. There are a lot of more videos coming.
It's getting very windy here. I got my gloves, I've got my cap in my backpack, so I might start using it, but it's still quite warm, around 8 degrees, but I might get some coffee to warm myself up a little bit, and so far it's not raining yet. I'm not sure if you can see it, but basically that's Manchester over there. I can see some tall building. windy. Very windy, yeah. So windy. So windy.
Hey guys, I did record my thoughts when I was out there, but actually the quality of the recording was not very good because it was just windy, so I wouldn't be able to hear what I wanted to say. But what I was basically saying that it was for me too windy to continue with the hike, and I think I made a responsible decision to get back because, as you could see, at some point I was just losing the control and wasn't able to continue walking straight. I was being sort of pushed back to the left, I have to go closer towards the ground. So I just made that decision that I'm not really comfortable with continuation of this hike. I continued hiking. I was not sure if the wind would continue at this pace or if it would get even stronger and then I could get stranded on there. And obviously, you don't want to sort of bother the mountain rescue teams on the New Year's Eve. So, yeah, for that reason, I decided to get back, and I don't think, yeah, I think it was a good decision.